Hi traders, Anthony here. Just taking a look at this chart. We've had a break of this previous low. Now we're looking at the break and retest. Traded down to key level here. This is a combo of, we've got a weekly and a daily pivot. The darker colored one is a weekly, and the yellow is the daily. Big level. I'm expecting this to perhaps range through here for a bit. Let's just go down to a lower time frame now and have a look and see how it stacks up. Maybe check it out on the 4-hour. This is a trend continuation opportunity. Plan of attack with this would be, for me, I think, let's grab a little brush here. Alright, we could grab a fib, and I'll pull the fib from this swing high back here down to the low. The 50%'s obviously not a fib level, but this range is 50 to the 618 is my key entry, trend continuation. So let's just look at that. I'd be inclined to look to layer in shorts, even from here. All right, so I'll work out my position size, my overall position size, and split it up into 4 pending orders short. That's how I would look at this. We get a fill at market down here, and then however far this pulls back, we might get another fill. Who knows? We don't know where this is going to go. That's how I'm going to approach this as far as entering the market. Stop loss, well, there's a level there. That will do me. Stop loss, SL, done. Stop losses here. Entries around this zone. So we'll just pull that as a sell zone. Might even have that in here. Check it out. Have a look. Sell zone. Lovely. Alright, there's our sell zone. Stop loss above here. Targets. Now, my thing is, I like to take money off the table pretty quickly. Right, if that's my sell zone in here, I will look to take money, and if we get a fill, at least with these two, I'm going to look to take 70% off really early, perhaps even here at this daily level. And then what I'll do is look to leave 30% in, and whatever happens after that, then we just let that run. And I'm not going to set targets as such, but that's T1, this is T2, this daily here. But I'm inclined to sort of let it run 30% and just see what we get out of it. If I go back, like this strategy, it works. Let's just say we entered short up here. Same thing. If that was where we got a fill, I take 70% early. I like to take my money out, and then 30% remaining, and look what we get. So, that's the plan of attack. And if it pulls back and takes out my 30, it's not an issue. I've taken 70% out already. Obviously, when this gains a bit of distance, we're going to pull the stop loss down to better than break even. So if this was entry, stop loss, target 1, take your 70 here, then pull your stop loss down to better than break even, and enjoy the ride for the rest, risk free. Right? So that's it. That's my take on the Kiwi CAD. We will see how this plays out. With that, safe trading. Oh, by the way, check my YouTube channel, click the links below, and I'll see you in the next one.